Are you interested in the power of telepathic communication, especially with dolphins? In my 31-year research, I've discovered how they can heal and how we can learn from them. The ability to heal and the ability to communicate at a distance is inherent in every one of us, and we can become more potent when we piggyback on the dolphin mind. Let me take you on a talk and on a journey through my 31-year research, and then take you on a meditation that helps you discover that same power within yourself. If you join my talk of about 1 hour, I will give you my powerful meditation morning and evening app and a bonus meditation app for dolphin consciousness that you can use at home to help heal yourself and gain deeper insights into your psyche. My name is Ilona Selke. I'm an internationally published author of over 30 years, and I've traveled and taught worldwide, and I'm very honored to be here and to have you in my workshop this coming week. Thank you very much for joining. Bye-bye.